OpenScanTools features several measurement functions. The most basic ones can be found in the Home tab. It includes single and polyline measurements. They are also in the dedicated section along with more advanced measures. Let's start with simple measurement, which allows you to measure between 2 points. The pointer has taken on the shape of a cross. The name of the current function appears at the bottom in orange, and instructions are given on the left. After clicking, a construction point appears. It is used to check that the point is correctly located. After the second click, the measurement is created and its components are displayed. Remember that you can change the units in the parameters. The Properties panel gives all the information about the measurement, which by default has a name Simple. It can be found in the tree structure. Note that the default name can be changed in the toolbar. As we haven't left the function yet, it is ready for a new measure. Tip: you can use the spacebar to replace the left click. This allows you to be more precise as the mouse is often moved when clicked. To exit the function, press Escape. To recall the last function, press Enter. The pointer changes again. To delete an item, select it in the tree structure or in the window. You can also right-click and create a selection rectangle above the items to be selected. You can see that they are selected in the tree structure. We can now delete them. You can cancel with this arrow or the shortcut Ctrl-Z. You can choose which components to display. If you have individual stations, you can use them for your measurements. Let's go to 360 mode from this station. Only points from this station will be used. This allows you to work with maximum scanner precision. You can also start a measurement in one station and finish it in another. Let's move on to the polyline measurement. It can be used to create multiple segments. Each click creates a new segment. The properties show the various component, projected areas, and segment details. A little tip: sometimes elements are hidden by the point cloud. You can activate temporary transparency by pressing the C key. It allows you to make a quick check. As a reminder, the transparency rate can be modified from the Home tab. We now apply a constraint to the polyline, setting Z. The first point sets the altitude and subsequent segments remain at this altitude. It's very useful for creating a quick outline of a building, knowing that you can export the result in DXF. You can see that the old construction points are still displayed. To delete them, quit the function and restart a measurement. Let's move on to the advanced measures. It is often useful to measure perpendicular to wall or pipe centers. OpenScanTools offers various options. Let's start with the point-to-plane measurement. We'll take a measurement between a point on this concrete slab and the plane defined by this electrical cabinet door. In this case, a plane detection is performed on the door. The measurement has been created. It shows the most direct distance between the point and the plane. It also gives the distance between the projected point and the clicked point on the plane. Sometimes the plane is not regular, making detection difficult. It is then possible to define a plane with 3 points. We are going to create a new measure. Now we will click on 3 points on this wall. The measurement was created at the perpendicular of the plane passing through these 3 points. We'll finish with the pipe-to-pipe measurement, knowing that the other measurements are similar. Here, we will measure the distance between these two pipes. Click on each pipe and the measurement is created. The properties give all the components: center distance, clear distance, overall dimensions, diameters. We can also see that 2 disks have been created. The function has detected each diameter. Pipes don't need to be parallel. We'll choose 2 orthogonal pipes. The function automatically extends the pipe and creates the most direct distance. All items are listed in the tree structure. We will look at pipe detection in another tutorial.